Listen. This is the message directly from Paramashiva. I am opening it as it is. Listen. Paramashiva's 5 actions, 5 dimensions: creation, maintenance, sustenance, maintenance, destruction and rejuvenation together. Then putting in delusion, pulling out of delusion together. Liberation. So totally 5 dimensions of Paramashiva. Listen. Creation, 1. Maintenance, sustenance, 1. Destruction, rejuvenation, both together as 1. Putting in delusion, pulling out of delusion, both together is 1. Liberation is 1. Understand this 5. Tatpurusha, Satyojata, Aghora, Ishana, Vamadeva, Satyojata, Aghora, Tatpurusha, Vamadeva, Ishana. 5 faces of Paramashiva. 5 dimensions. Understand very clearly. Srishti, generation, creation is 1. Sthiti, operation, sustenance, maintenance is 1. Samhara, destruction and rejuvenation, both together is 1. Trobhava, putting in delusion and pulling out of delusion, both are 1. Liberation, enlightenment. Listen. Now, the third happening, intensely happening, destruction and rejuvenation. Now, understand, all over the world, Kala Bhairava is doing Ananda Tandava. Paramashiva is doing Ananda Tandava. Destruction, rejuvenation, both are happening. If you get deluded now, destruction will happen. If you stand strongly without getting deluded, with powerful cognitions, holding on to Paramashiva, rejuvenation will happen in you and pulling out of delusion will happen. Listen. Now, samhara is happening so powerfully all over the world. I tell you, by December 14th, world will be totally different. Mark my words, not just because of Corona, not just Corona alone. Corona caught the public attention and media attention, that's all. Not just Corona alone, all over the world, multiple other things. By December 14th, world will be different. All of you listen to this intensely. As I already told, Corona is part of the teaching, not part of the weapon. Corona is not Shastra, weapon to destroy human beings. Corona is Shastra, teaching for human beings. Now, the impact of Corona on life and livelihood. Listen carefully. how we live, how we travel, how we relate with each other, how we think about everything has drastically changed and going through more changes. So all of you listen. See, we are all blessed. We never saw Srishti. Or at least we don't remember seeing Srishti. We saw Sthiti, maintenance, face of Paramashiva. But many who died till even few months before did not get fortunate, they are not blessed or fortunate, did not get the great opportunity of seeing Samhara in front of their eyes. I tell you, in the air, in the whole sky, space, I can see Paramashiva's Samhara face. The Agora is open, available. Understand? If you hold on to Paramashiva with powerful cognition now, rejuvenation will happen to you, not destruction. Samhara, the Agora face of Paramashiva, will not destroy you, will rejuvenate you. You will not be put in delusion, you will be pulled out of delusion. Now, grand way, Paramashiva's Samhara face, Agora face is opening. I tell you, focus intensely on enlightenment. Spend more and more time. On consciousness. I tell you, whatever you thought as the future security, money, relationships, social contracts, moral contracts, legal contracts, all of them are losing value in life. All of them are just getting melting down in front of the face of Agora. Legal contract, economical contract, moral contracts, social contracts, ideas of right, wrong, social ethics, moral ethics, whatever is valued in society or disrespected in society, good as per society, bad as per society, good as per law, bad as per law, understand? Everything is melting down. Wait till December 14th, you will see totally different world. Whatever you think as valuable now will become like a ஓட்ட ஒடிச பழைய இரும்பு சாமானுக்கு ஈயம் பித்தளைக்கு வேர்ச்சம்பளம். Whatever you think as very valuable ஓட்ட ஒடிச பழைய இரும்பு சாமானுக்கு ஈயம் வித்தளைக்கு பேரிச்சம்பழம் means will not have any value. And whatever you think not much valuable suddenly will have so much value. I tell you, many human beings think few hours working and making few $100 is more valuable than few hours doing yoga and building their body. Listen. By making dollars, millions, crores, yes, you may get the food, all varieties, sweets. But you lost the body which can eat all of it and enjoy, digest it. That is what I call deluded lifestyle. People who literally sell their whole day for money. By 40, they will have money, but not the lifestyle to enjoy life. If you spend 1 year and make 1 crore, or 10 crore, even 25 crore, I will say spend the same 1 year, day and night, build heavy yogic body. That will be more valuable for you than the 25 crore after December 14th. Mark all my words. I'm going to upload this video. Listen to all these truths. I'm giving you one example like that. Whatever you think valuable, good, bad, right, wrong, everything is melting down. I tell you, when there is a destruction in such large scale, don't be afraid. Learn to celebrate Paramashiva's Aghora face. I tell you, whatever pain you carried by not having, all those things are losing value. Celebrate. Now nobody has value for it. If you had so much of pain for not having money, enough money, now understand money has no lost value. Nobody has it and anyone has it has no value. Celebrate it. Like that, if you have so much anger, so much pain, fear for not having some land, real estate, all that, now everything is melted down. Nothing has value. Even if somebody has, they cannot come out of it or go into it. Nobody is going to sell, nobody is going to buy. All that has lost its value, melting down. Celebrate. I tell you, all legal contracts, all social contracts, all man-made contracts, tap, panal, bus, poinde, it's gone. Aghora, the Paramashiva's Aghora face. I can see dancing. I can see dancing. I tell you, if you build the body which can eat all food, digest and be energetic, alive, instead of multi-billion dollar, after December 14th, you are rich. Because multi-billion dollars are melting down. If somebody, for example, your friend, he did great job, medicine, became a doctor, and made millions of dollars, and you went to Gurukul, being with Swamiji, did yoga, conscious power manifestation, everything, built whatever Swamiji said, life based on that. Even if you built 10% of what Swamiji said and stood with Swamiji and be with Swamiji, you are more richer after December 14th than your friend, than anybody. I am telling you one example. I can give you tons of example. The whole world, it is not just topsy-turvy or getting rearranged. Chuck collapsed and the Samhara, Ahora is dancing. Your ideas about education, university, everything is gone. In 100 countries all over the world, courts are shut. Only in half of the world, courts are functioning digitally, like a Zoom, all that. Half of the world, courts are shut, neither physical nor digital. And 90% of the world, all execution of legal contract is stalled. All moral contracts have melted down. %99 of the social contracts are melting down. Understand? What do you call as education? What do you call as work? What do you call as future security? Everything is melting down. If you build body scanning power by spending 10 days in power manifestation, that is more valuable than any diagnosis method you mastered by spending 3 years or 5 years. I'm going to initiate all Balasans today. Just by scanning the photo, they can tell whether COVID positive or negative. Balasans will start manifesting this power. I tell you, tons and tons and tons of ideas. Ideas of ownership is melting down. Long before in one satsang I said, currency is the largest corruption happened on planet Earth. The idea of currency is the largest corruption. Understand? Idea of marriage destroyed love. Idea of currency destroyed wealth. Idea of education stopped, destroyed learning process. If you are able to convince people with your certificates, you are respected as a learned person. This trend destroyed consciously being alive and learning. That meant that social contract. You see, if you have a certificate, you will be respected for that knowledge. That social contract has taken away. Becoming expert or becoming specialized or becoming actively learning, continuous learning in life. Everything is focused on certification, not on reality, life. It is like, if operation is success, that is enough. Patient is alive or not is not a problem at all. Same way, if you are a PhD in economics, that is enough. whether your suggestions and solutions are really getting money for a company or an individual is not at all important. Understand? The whole unconscious ideas built society is melting down. See in front of your eyes the Ahora Dandava of Paramashiva and celebrate. If you are carrying a pain of not having some real estate, land, building, property, money, now you can celebrate because nobody is having, nobody is owning. Everything is gone. If you are having the pain of not having certain education, certificate, qualification, the so-called world's degree, graduation, dandanaka, dundanaka, dum, dum, ding, dung, MA, BA, BBA, MMA, MA, PhD, GHD, just see the Agora face of Paramashiva. Everything is lost value, it's losing value. I'll put a link of an article. Please read it. Is an MBA worth it after COVID-19? Absolutely not. I'm telling you what MBA. MABA, BBA, BBBBA, BBA PhD, PhD Masters, Masters PhD. Nothing is worthy. If you know consciously to move a coconut, power manifestation, that is going to be more useful and worthy for you than any MBMB படிச்ச MBA. நீ MBMB படிச்சிருந்தாலும் MBA வச்சு ஒன்றும் பண்ண முடியாது. எம்பும் போது வந்த இடுப்பு வலி தான் மிச்சம். பம்மாத்து படிப்பெல்லாம் வாழாக போச்சுதையா, பால்டாயில் குடிச்சிங்கு வாழ்ந்ததெல்லாம் ஆச்சுதையா. ஜோடிச்சு வச்சதெல்லாம் ஜோக்காயி போச்சுதையா. மாரடிச்சு படிச்சதெல்லாம் மண்ணாகி போச்சுதையா. சர்டிபிகேட் எல்லாம் சட்டியோட சேர்த்து சாக்கடையில் விட்டுவிட்டு நிம்மதியா இருங்க. ஆண்டாண்டு காலமெல்லாம் அலண்டலண்டு புரண்டு மாண்டே போவது போல் படித்ததெல்லாம் பூண்டு வெங்காயத்துக்கு மாகாமல் போனதடா. Understand, you are, all of us who are alive now, as an amazing opportunity to have darshan of Agora face of Paramashiva. The Agora face of Paramashiva is in front of us. So use this time to rejuvenate yourself. Don't get destroyed. Hold on to Paramashiva, Guru. Strongly build intense, powerful cognitions. I tell you, after December 14th, money is not going to get you food. It's actually good news. You can live with less food. And whoever has already mastered the science of living with less food are going to survive that period after December 14th. And if you already trained yourself to eat the nice, rich food, you are going to survive, because the society does not eat what I call rich food. See, I prepared all of you to have neem juice, castor oil, haritaki, juicing, herbs, less solid food, no non-veg. I prepared all of you for that. And whoever is prepared for the lifestyle I was teaching, you are all going to have everything you need after December 14th. But all the regular human beings who are not prepared for the lifestyle I am teaching, they are not going to get what they consider as food. Money is not going to get them what they consider as food. You are going to get what you consider as food with money or without money, because what you are consuming, what I trained you, society does not consider that as a food, so there is never going to be a demand for that. Castor oil, haritaki, neem, vegetarian food, all these things are never going to be exhausted or all these are never going to become unavailable, because these are one, large natural resource. Second, the mainstream society, unconscious, deluded society does not consider this as a food, even though this is the food, real food. Same way, I trained all of you for unclutching, because after December 14th, people who mastered the unclutching are only going to have the balanced mind. Drastic reduction in entertainment industry production, and even whatever is produced in the entertainment industry filled with so much of sorrow, negativity, life negative, depressive ideas. Neither the content for entertainment is going to be available in large scale, and the available content is going to be more depressing and failing and destroying. I tell you. If you worked for 1 month and got all the home theater for entertainment set up in your home, and the same 1 month you worked, did Paramashivoham and learnt unclutching, the person who learnt unclutching is going to be more richer after December 14th than the person who earned the home theater. Understand? Because the home theater is not going to be entertaining you anymore, because content is not available, and even if the content is available, that is going to be more depressing, not entertaining or exciting. What for you go for entertainment? To rejuvenate yourself, to feel excited again about the life. The entertainment content is not going to give you that experience. Listen carefully. I tell you, celebrate the face of Agora of Paramashiva. This is the best time if you are already connected to all the spiritual principles and concepts. This is the worst time for all the worldly people who are extremely greedy, attached to the materialism and what do you call as social contracts. Listen, all social contract, all relationship contract, all legal contract, all moral contract, everything is melting down. Everything is melting down. Your life is, after all, made up of all these contracts. You are going to see after December 14th a simple Nityanandite who learnt unclutching is going to be celebrating his life, enjoying, ecstatically living than billionaires. I tell you, your conscious ability to keep yourself up, alive, awake is going to be currency after December 14th, because the currency is melting down. You will be able to simply buy billion worth property just for few thousands and few hundreds. But nobody will be able to buy the unclutching mental setup and yogic body. Ability to sit in Padmasana will be more valuable than any $1 million massage chair. Because I had one stupid chair, I had one massage chair, I am telling you. As long as I was using that, this ability, this yogic ability to sit in Padmasana for hours, days, body could never reclaim that ability. The moment I stopped using that, body has just reclaimed its yogic ability. I don't know how many of you are observing last continuously few weeks or few months, almost all sessions I am sitting whole day in Padmasana. If you observed it, raise your hand. Because body has reclaimed its ability to sit in Padmasana. That's one of the yogic abilities. And I am telling you, really I am telling you, build intense, powerful cognitions. With powerful cognitions, even few thousand rupees are going to become few crore. Without powerful cognitions, even billions are going to just melt down and no value. Because the Agora is dancing. From this solar eclipse to December 14th, this Kala Sarpa Yoga. Understand? If you hold on to Paramashiva, Guru, enjoy this Agora face of Paramashiva, you will have rejuvenation. This time will be Kala Sarpa Yoga for you. If you are getting caught in depression, powerlessness, moving away from Paramashiva, from powerfulness, this period is going to be destruction, Kalasarpa dosha for you. Whether Kalasarpa yoga or Kalasarpa dosha, you only have to decide. Agora, Paramashiva is dancing. Whether it is a destruction or rejuvenation, is up to you, based on how you decide. Celebrate this whole thing melting down. Everything human beings built unconsciously against the nature with false ideas is melting down. False food is melting down, false medicines are melting down, false security is melting down, false currency is melting down, false education is melting down, false contracts are melting down. Cosmic law is declaring its existence. Its existence. December 14th is the total solar eclipse. Till that time, this agora's dance is happening. Cosmic law is declaring its existence. I tell you, wherever you are, just come for everyday quality art session. I'll make sure you are given the right powerful cognitions and truths, and I'll help you that you go through beautiful rejuvenation and without getting destroyed in the Samhara period. And beautifully I'll take you through this whole ahora and pull you out of delusion and liberate you. Will not allow you to get deluded and destroyed. See now, this ahora phase of Paramashiva, either you can choose destruction or rejuvenation. Choose rejuvenation, not destruction. Choose Paramashiva, not the outer world. Now, as I told yesterday, don't sell, don't buy, do only minimum survival necessity things. Because you are going to have a great options and opportunities after December 14th. Just sit and watch. Yeah, I tell you. Just like Kashi is Avimukta Kshetra, never given up, never forsaken. Paramashiva lifts Kashi and holds in his Trishul. That's why it's called Urdhvamanaya Pitam. Paramashiva is now holding all of us up above this destruction. Hold on to Paramashiva. I'm telling you. You will see by December 14th how many things you thought valuable is no more valuable, and how many things you thought you took it for granted are becoming real valuable in life. Namo Rudrebhyo Prativyam Yentarikshe Divi Yeshamannam Vado Varshamivas Ivavastebhyo Dasa Prachir Dasa Dakshinagum Dasa Pratichir Dasodhi शीर्द दसोर्त्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्तेनो मृदयन्द देयं दिश्वो यश्चनोद्वेष्टि तं वोचं वेदतामि. This is actually Rudram, which we chant every day. Those forms of god of death, Samhara, Rudra, who dwell in the middle region between Swarga and Bhumi, for whom the air element is the shaft, salutation to them. I tell you, they are just dancing in the air. Chant Rudra or listen to Rudram every day. It's good. In Biddi also you can do Rudra Abhishekam. Boys can do for Paramashiva in the main temple, Swayambhu. Girls can do for Vaidishwara in Vaidya Sarovar. So much good will happen. I tell you. Spend all time, energy, everything in building spiritual strength, spiritual identity, conscious life. As I said, half of the countries, court is completely shut. Only half of the countries, it is working, that also only digitally. And even those countries where it's working digitally, overloaded. The ideas of passport, visa, border, nation, all that is melting down. Because now who is going to travel? Traveling is not going to be part of anymore with the middle class, common civilians. Either the top administrators, decision makers of the country, only those people are going to be traveling anymore. After the December 14th, travel is not going to become normal for common human beings. Middle class and lower middle class and poor class is not going to be having the regular travel as you usually used to. Understand? The way we live, the way we eat, the way we travel, the way we meet each other, the way we relate with each other, the way we work, everything is melting down. If you have 2-acre agriculture land and knowledge and ability, physically doing the agriculture, that kind of a lifestyle and mental setup, you are more richer than a guy who made $1 billion in his life. I am telling you the truth. After December 14th, you will understand what I am saying. I'm giving you one example. In every level, the ideas of social contract, moral contract, legal contract, everything is melting down. If you had real loving, understanding marriage, you are going to have that relationship after this December 14th. If it was just legal contract, it is not going to stand anymore. So all matured, stable relationship, idea-based relationships are going to flourish. All hit and run, idea-based relationships are just going to melt down. Because nobody will be useful anymore for other person. See, in all hit and run relationship, it's all use and throw. Now, none of that use and throw relationship will have a meaning in life. A stable, consciousness-based, decisive relationships are only going to be useful in life. After December 14th, if you are not depressed, you are going to have such a high value and people are going to yearn to live around you, relate with you, talk to you, spend time with you. Neither your beauty nor money or any other capacities will be attractive point for people. If you are not depressed and able to consciously inspire people, people will be interested in spending time with you. People will be interested in you. The whole thing is melting down. If you spend 3 years and got an MBA, and same 3 years you spent and did Kayakalpa, the Kayakalpa who did is going to be billionaire, $1 billion worth than the guy who did MBA. All the consciousness-based powers, possibilities, products you accumulated, you acquired, are only going to be useful for your life. I'm telling you, I can see very clearly in front of my eyes the Hora form of Paramashiva dancing. The integrity with Paramashiva you earned, integrity with Guru you earned, integrity with powerful cognitions you earned, the possibilities and powers you made in your life. Possibilities means like 108 yoga, 108 Surya Namaskar, living without solid food, are living with powerful cognitions. These are all possibilities. Powers, you know, third eye or moving matter. And these powers and possibilities are only going to be your assets after December 14th. Start getting them more and more and more. Only powerful cognitions are going to be your assets. Start getting them more and more and more. Nothing else is going to be your asset or pride or life. I have too much to share with you all. One thing, just hold on to Paramashiva and hold on to Guru. Be here every day for courtyard session. I'll take care that you are given all the right understandings, powerful cognitions, ideas, and you sail through this whole agora phase and you get rejuvenated without getting destroyed. You get liberated without getting deluded. So now, the Guru Purnima Utsavam, the second day offering, let's do that to the Guru.
Nityanandam. Today, on the second day of the Guru Purnima Utsavam, Swamiji Sarchavatara in the Adi Kailasa Nityananda Peetham is gracing in Sarvalankara as Devi Meenakshi, collecting the Siddha herbs and initiating everyone into the science of Siddha medicine. On this auspicious second day of the Guru Purnima Utsavam, we offer our humble worship at the feet of His Divine Holiness Swamiji. Now, Om Dhurasi Dhurvadhurvan Tandhurvatanyo Osman Dhurvati Tandhurvayam Vayan Dhurvamasvan Devanamasitasita Mampaprita Manjushata Mamvanhitam Devahuta Mamahrutamasi Havirthanand Dimhat Masva Armitrasya Vachakusha Kshema Bherma Samriktha Masva Hikumhisham Sarvadeva Devi Surupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Parmashivaya Namaha Bhukamaghrapayami Om Buddhi Ipyasvajata Vedo Pagnan Nirritim Mama Pashugishtamahyama Vahajivan Chadisho Disha Mano Higumsi Jata Vedo Gamashwam Purushan Jagat Abhibhradakna Agahi Shriyama Paripataya Om Shri Sarvadeva Devi Surupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Parmashivaya Namaha Ekahārati Deepam Sandarshayami Om Amrite Amritodbhave Amritavarshini Amritam Shravaya Shravaya Swaha Om Shri Sarvadeva Devi Surupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha Naivedyam Nivedayami Nivedananantaram Achamanam Samarpayami Om Rajadhirajaya Prasahyasahine Namo Vayam Vai Shravanaya Kurmahe Samekaman Kamakamaya Mahyam Kameshwaro Vai Shravano Dadatu Kuberaya Vai Shravanaya Maharajaya Namaha Karpura Gauram Karunavataram Samsarasaram Bhujagendraharam Sada Vasantam Hrudayara Vinde Bhavam Bhavani Sahitam Namami Sarvadeva Devi Surupaya Bhagavate Shri Nityananda Paramashivaya Namaha Sarvopachara Pujarthe Sarvaparadhakshamapnarthe Samastamangala Praptyarthe Guru Kripa Katakashidhyarthe Ananda Karpura Nirajanam Sandarshayami Rakshandharayami
Listen, I'll tell you from my experience. In Sangha, we were supposed to buy few properties for the expansion of the Sangha. I told them, wait till December 14th, because after December 14th, the same properties you will get it 10% price, 10% cost. They asked me, can we get this CBSE affiliation, UGC affiliation, some affiliations and all they were asking. I said, all those systems are not going to have any credibility anymore after December 14th. Wait. Many of those systems are not going to have credibility. Because all of them will be proven useless for human life. So, much of what you call as education, much of what you call as business, much of what you call as expertise, much of what you call as efficiency, much of what you call as skill sets, all of them are losing value, melting down. Just celebrate the Agora face of Paramashiva. All the conscious things are getting powerful. Empower yourself with more and more conscious possibilities and powers. Big $1 million sofa chairs are not going to be worthy after December 14th. Your ability to sit in Padmasana is going to be worthy after December 14th. Build this. Spend your time for this with first priority. I tell you. I really tell you. More integrity, more intensity towards Paramashiva, towards Guru. Don't miss Courtyard session. Be here every day for Courtyard session wherever you are. I'll make sure the powerful cognitions are given to you. Right cognitions are given to you. You are raised. You sail through and get liberated instead of getting deluded. Get rejuvenated instead of getting destroyed. Blessings. Be blissful.